What?
Hello guys, this is Boo Boo again with...
Moo!
And we are doing part 2 of the...
Fidget spinner Obby!
So here we goes. That was easy, wasn't it?
At least. And then I'm just gonna jump.
Jump,
And jump.
jump,
And
jump, and jump, and jump, and jump. Oh yeah! Okay, that was weird. I died again! How many deaths have I had?
About like 20, probably.
In the arms of an 21. In the arm 22. In the arms of an angel.
Wait, how did I just die?
I don't even know, but in the arms of an angel. I'm here. I move. I need spawn point. Okay, let's go. You coming? You coming?
Yeah, I was just looking at some fidget spinners.
24! 23 I meant, not 24. In the arms of an angel. Wait for me.
Okay.
My screen is going crazy.
Oh my gosh, I died!
In the arms of an angel.
Oh my gosh.
24 deaths. Literally 24 deaths.
I can't find the spinner that I was looking for.
24 deaths. Death. Why?
I found it. I found it.
Found
Hold on,
what?
let me get Simple outside. I can send you the photo.
Why Roblox? Why do you choose to make your obbies so hard? Why? This is gonna take take some time to pass. You know that, don't you? I'm here. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, gotta jump on these circles. Bum, 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 bum,
I passed it.
bum. 24 deaths. 25 or 24. In the
It was 25.
arms of an angel. 25 deaths. In the arms of an angel.
An angel.
Am I going to pass this, or am I just going to say in the arms of an angel a million times? Because I died a million times. In the arms of an angel. 26. Whoa. I really want to pass my high score of 5. I can do it. I can do it. I was flying, and then I jumped, and then I died. That isn't fair. You know, I'm just... Darn it, there's an invisible wall. I didn't even see where I was going.
I just sent you the photo of the fidget spinner that I wanted.
I keep dying. What the heck was that?
I don't know.
Momo, why did you do that? That sounded very weird. That's a musically audio!
Yes, it is.
You copied it off of musically. How dare you? You know what? I'm just going diagonally. That's it. I'm going diagonally.
Okay.
How do you do that without hitting it? How?
You just jump straight at the.
I am jumping straight.
Jump straight at the crease.
Because of you, I didn't pass. Why do I keep dying? Will I ever pass this thing?
Probably.
No, I won't. Yeah! Yeah!
What? I want to spin my fidget spinner while I wait.
Why? Why Roblox? Are you judging my antlers? Are my antlers too big for you?
No.
I almost made it. I jump at the wrong time. I jump at the wrong... I keep jumping at the wrong time. I almost did it, but it was like, no. Sorry.
Okay, jump right here. 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 Okay, get right behind me. Get right behind me.
I'm taller than you, so that's why.
Jump.
I did jump and then I died.
Oh my gosh.
I did it, but then it didn't count. I hate Roblox.
Oh, no, you don't. You're just getting mad, aren't you?
No, I literally hate Roblox right now.
Oh, God.
I did it, but then it's like, no, you didn't. Then it's like, no, you didn't. You're still up. It's like, no. It's like, no, you did not.
I'm gonna go a couple stages up.
Why? You're gonna leave me all behind, not helping me? And this video is going to be like an hour long because I can't even pass this?
I'm coming.
I'm so pitiful. I can't even go through one. I'm so pitiful. I can't even go through one.
And how are you pitiful?
I can't get through it. Finally.
You're not pitiful. You're not pitiful.
I can't go past the yellow one. My
God.
now I'm just going to let the video go on like this. Because it won't stop. I keep spinning. Stop spin. This video is going to be an hour long, so I'm going to end it right now. You know what? I'm not going to end it. I'm literally just ruining the video. I give up. I give up.
Why?
I can't get past. My antlers are too big.
No, they're not.
I finally did it.
Okay, finally.
Sorry about the rain. You know what? I'm ending it right